CVS? That's where my parents pick up prescriptions. For decades, that's exactly how Gen Z saw the pharmacy giant. A functional errand. A place you go when you're sick, not when you're socializing or shopping for fun. But CVS turned a legacy pharmacy into a Gen Z destination without changing what they sell. They didn't reinvent the product. They reinvented the relationship. The playbook they used has three critical components: TikTok presence, creator partnerships, and personalized app rewards. This isn't about being trendy for the sake of it. This is about reaching the most digitally native generation before they form brand loyalty elsewhere. The stakes are real. Gen Z represents trillions in lifetime spending power. And they're making brand decisions right now, decisions that will compound for decades. So how do you make a 60-year-old brand relevant to 20-year-olds? Let's break down exactly what CVS did and how you can apply these strategies to your own business. Section 1. Meeting Gen Z where they live. TikTok strategy. The fundamental insight CVS understood. Gen Z doesn't search for brands. They discover them through entertainment. This generation scrolls TikTok for hours, but they skip traditional ads in seconds. The barrier to entry isn't attention, it's relevance. You have to earn your place in their feed by being genuinely entertaining, not just promotional. CVS's TikTok approach rejected corporate polish entirely. Instead, they leaned into playful challenges, meme-friendly content, and self-aware humor. They posted seasonal challenges tied to real pharmacy moments, back-to-school prep, flu season survival kits, late-night snack runs. Behind-the-scenes content humanized pharmacy staff. Trend-jacking became standard practice, jumping on viral sounds and formats while staying on brand. The authenticity principle matters here. Gen Z can smell manufactured content instantly. CVS didn't try to be cool. They leaned into being the helpful pharmacy, the place that gets your everyday life because they're part of it. Engagement mechanics drove participation. Comment challenges invited responses. Duets encouraged creative riffs. User-generated content campaigns turned customers into collaborators. The creator partnership model amplified this strategy. CVS worked with micro and mid-tier influencers, not celebrities. These creators made skits about everyday CVS moments. The content felt real because it was. A creator joking about impulse buying candy at the checkout. Another doing a CVS haul of beauty products. These weren't ads. They were relatable moments that happened to feature the brand. Why this works for non-retail businesses. The lesson isn't go viral. The lesson is showing up consistently where your audience already spends time. The content calendar reality. CVS posts multiple times per week. They test formats. They learn from data. They iterate based on what resonates. This isn't a campaign, it's a commitment. Measuring what matters became critical. CVS tracked engagement rate and follower growth over vanity metrics like total views. A video with 50,000 views and 10% engagement beats a video with 500,000 views and 1% engagement every time. The risk CVS took, letting go of message control. Allowing authentic, sometimes messy creator content. Trusting that imperfect relatability beats polished irrelevance. Your takeaway. Identify one platform where your target audience is over-indexed. Commit to 90 days of consistent content. Prioritize entertainment value over promotional messaging. Test, learn, adjust. Platform presence gets attention. But retention requires a different strategy entirely. Section 2. The personalization engine. App-based loyalty. Getting Gen Z in the door is one thing. Keeping them coming back requires personalized value. CVS transformed their Extra Care app from a generic coupon dispenser into an individualized rewards engine. The shift wasn't cosmetic, it was strategic. They moved from broadcast promotions to one-to-one value delivery. 3 personalization layers drive this loyalty system. First, purchase-based offers. The app tracks what you actually buy and delivers custom discounts on those specific products. Not random promotions for items you'll never use. Relevant savings on the things already in your cart. This feels helpful, not invasive. Second, Health nudges. Prescription reminders arrive exactly when you need them. Refill notifications prevent lapses in medication. Vaccine eligibility alerts inform you about new health options. These aren't marketing messages, they're utility. Third, milestone rewards. Birthday perks celebrate you. Anniversary bonuses recognize loyalty. Streak incentives reward consistent engagement. Each interaction reinforces the relationship. The data advantage compounds over time. Every app interaction teaches CVS more about individual preferences. Every purchase refines the recommendation engine. Every click signals intent. Why Gen Z responds? This generation expects brands to know them. Generic marketing feels lazy. Personalized experiences feel respectful. They're trading data for convenience, but only when the value exchange is clear. The gamification element taps into completion psychology. Progress bars show advancement toward rewards. Achievement badges recognize milestones. Points systems create tangible value from everyday purchases. These mechanics aren't manipulation, they're motivation. Friction removal became a core design principle. One-tap reordering eliminates decision fatigue. Saved payment methods speed checkout. In-app prescription management consolidates health tasks. Each feature removes a barrier between intent and action. The critical insight: personalization isn't about collecting data. It's about using data to reduce effort for the customer. CVS doesn't just know what you buy, they make buying it easier. Cross-channel integration creates a feedback loop. TikTok content drives app downloads. App usage patterns inform TikTok content themes. A viral video about seasonal allergies leads to targeted app notifications about allergy medication deals. The channels reinforce each other. The privacy balance matters deeply to Gen Z. CVS built transparent data usage policies. Opt-in controls give users agency. Clear explanations of how data improves experience build trust with a privacy-conscious generation. Retention metrics improved across the board. Repeat visit frequency increased. Average basket size grew. App engagement rates climbed steadily. Your application framework starts with an audit. Where can you reduce friction in your customer touchpoints? Identify 3 data points you already collect that could drive personalization. Build one automated personalized experience, an email, a notification, an offer, and test it rigorously. The compounding effect is the real prize. Each personalized interaction increases the switching costs to competitors. Loyalty isn't built through promotions, it's built through understanding. Conclusion: your Gen Z acquisition blueprint. CVS built a 3-part system: platform presence through TikTok, creator authenticity, and personalized retention via app rewards. The meta lesson: CVS didn't try to change Gen Z's behavior. They adapted their business to meet Gen Z where they already are. That's the strategic shift that matters. The scalability principle keeps this actionable. Start with one platform. Choose one personalization lever. Partner with one creator in your space. You don't need to execute everything simultaneously. The timeline reality: CVS didn't build this overnight. Commit to 6 to 12 months of consistent execution. Quick wins matter, but sustained results require patience. Your immediate next step: choose your platform, identify your first personalization opportunity, or reach out to one creator who aligns with your brand. Which of these 3 strategies is most relevant to your business right now? If this breakdown was valuable, subscribe for more strategic case studies like this.